Zoey Harrison was killed in a car crash this March in District Heights. A suspect fleeing from police over a tag violation hit her mother's car.
For months, her family has demanded justice for her death. And today, our Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell was there as Zoey's Law was signed in Prince George's County. Brad, there are new limits on police pursuits now.
Yeah, that's exactly right. They're really focused on reporting what police pursuits actually happen. Look, this came from a terrible period of time. 30 days. In 30 days last spring, 3 different completely innocent people were killed when they were struck by someone running from police. It's happened again since then. So the feeling was something needed to be done. Zoey's Law is it. Gina Pryor never imagined she and her family would have to testify before the Prince George's County Council. But Monday, there she was advocating for a new law named for her late 3-year-old granddaughter, Zoey Harrison.
It works to ensure that no other child becomes a victim and no other family endures the pain that my family is enduring and has endured.
That pain began last March when Zoey was killed. She was riding in her mother's car when they were hit by a driver fleeing a police traffic stop at a high rate of speed. Police body cams recorded the frantic but futile efforts to save her. After Pryor's testimony, the council gave final approval to Zoey's Law. It requires police to report and track pursuits and for municipal police to follow the same restrictions on pursuits as the county police department.
We need the community to come out to stand for justice, because, we can't continue to have this. This is a public health, a public safety issue.
Council Vice Chair Crystal Oriata sponsored the bill aimed at police practices, but says the real fault lies with those who flee. Larry Naylor is the man who crashed into Zoey and her mother. He's now charged with vehicular manslaughter. But Oriata is urging a Zoey's Law at the state level, which would also make it a felony to run from a traffic stop.
There are citizens that need to understand that there are going to be major consequences for those actions.
Gina Pryor says she'll testify for that statewide Zoey's Law, too, in the little girl's memory.
Zoey means life. So we let the light of her life shine.
Yeah, so they're going to continue their fight for that next Zoey's Law. They really do want the focus to be on those who choose to run from police. And in this case, we can tell you that the police were cleared by the state attorney general of any wrongdoing. The man charged in this case has not yet gone to trial. In Largo, Brad Bell, 7 News.